Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. Clear Jelly Stamper just released 5 new Halloween inspired stamping plates and I've purchased one of them. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing Clear Jelly Stamper CJS H24 Wicked Halloween. As always, you can find information on where to purchase from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. So I have my scraper and my Clear Jelly Stamper Big Bling Stamper in pink. I have 5 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto, and I'm going to start with a white nail tip. I'm going to use the earth image and the tree image to create one nail design. I'll be using a dark grey and green stamping polish. When I use open spaces like this one, I tend to turn the stamping plate. I just find that I can get a complete line instead of a patchy line instead. As always, any extra I'll remove before stamping. I'll then come in with the green for the tree and add that to sit on the top of the earth dirt image. With a nail this size, there is still plenty of room to add in some extra images. For the next swatch, I'm going to use a green nail tip along with a dark green stamping polish. These zombie images are brilliant. I like that they have extra bits, like this guy is holding items in his hands. I also like that they're in different sizes, so if you have smaller nails, there's ones you can use as well as the larger designs. For the next swatch, I'm going to use a yellow nail tip along with 2 stamping polishes, which are an orange and a red. With this image, it's a choice between doing the pumpkin first, then the face, or the other way round. I quite like the idea of doing the pumpkin first and then having a guide for where the face goes. Now, I have recently started using a red for the face instead of black. This is just a personal choice, but I do prefer it to the black. But it's a brilliant pumpkin though. For the next swatch, I'm going to use a blue nail tip along with 2 stamping polishes, which are a black and a white. I'm sure you can guess I'm going for the scream face. I'll first go in with the white and then I'll go in with the black. Now, with the black layer, there is a tiny bit missing on the bottom of the image. If this happens, you can either go in with a fine detailer brush and fill in that section very, very carefully, or you can just start over again. Personally, I'd fill it in. But this is a great image though. Absolutely perfect for Halloween. For the next swatch, I'm going to use a white nail tip along with 2 stamping polishes, a light grey and a dark grey. I have been using these 2 colours a lot for Halloween manis. For me personally, they are a must-have for Halloween manis. Now, with this image, I think I should have maybe chosen a different colour for the skull face in the middle. It's very hard to see the detail. You will, however, see him in a different colour in the photo swatches, but it is such a cool image though. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and mani that I've created from Clear Jelly Stamper Wicked Halloween CJS H24. CJS H24 Wicked Halloween is just the perfect stamping plate for Halloween. I did find it really hard to choose just one of the new 5 because they all looked so good in their own different ways. I will definitely be getting some more of them for next year, as this is my last Halloween plate for 2018. I've taken 41 swatches in total, so it really does have a lot to offer. Some of them I've added more than one image to the pop sticks. Now, the swirly line images at the top of the plate, I've swatched them 3 different ways. There is one image where the hands are coming out of the grass. I first used a lighter green for that, I didn't like it, so I stamped a darker green over the top, and I really think it adds to the nail by doing the two different tones of green. A lot of these images aren't what I would call layering designs, but instead where you use more than one image, like the hands and the grass, to create a nail. I've recently been doing this a lot, and they really can make some very interesting nails. I think that there's a good mix of designs, from the skulls to zombies to pumpkins and words and witches. There are also some images that I've never seen before, like the stitches and the knife. I think they are brilliant. For all of these swatches, I've used 2 clear jelly stampers, the big bling stamper in pink you saw me use in the video, and I've also used the crystal double-ended stamper with bling for the smaller designs. I've also only used clear jelly stamper polishes for this plate. For me, to get the best out of clear jelly stamper stamping plates, I only use their stampers and polishes on them. They really are one of the best in the nail industry for me. I definitely need to make some more layering manis for the month of October manis I'm doing currently. If you're looking at one of the new 5, I would say this one for me. When I was looking at them, this plate just seemed to offer much more choice on designs, but that's just my personal thoughts on them. For the mani, I chose a khaki green nail polish for the base, and I've used a black and a pearl white stamping polish. I didn't really know what I wanted to do, to be fair. It also reminds me of a mani I did for one of the days in my October mani month. If I have to be honest, I don't like this mani. I'm just not feeling it now that it's complete. It's probably me just being picky, but I'm not keen on it. So before I end this video, one thing I was surprised to see with this stamping plate was this help guide. I normally just use them from the Clear Jelly Stamper website, but I'm loving that they have added them to these. They are so helpful. They aren't, however, with all of them though, as I brought 2 plates and the other one doesn't have one. It may be that they will all have them in time, but for me, this gets a humongous thumbs up. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the mani and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a thumbs up as well. I would really appreciate it. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Clear Jelly Stamper CJS H24 Wicked Halloween. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.